Good morning friends. Welcome to Parnika's Tutorials YouTube channel. In this video, I want to discuss two GATE previous questions which came in the year 2015. So I request everyone to watch the complete video for better understanding. First let me read the question number 1, then I will discuss the solution with you. Then I will go for the question number 2. So coming to the question number 1, while inserting the elements 71, 65, 84, 69, 67, 83 in an empty binary search tree. So what they are asking, you have to insert the elements in the binary search tree. After inserting the elements in this binary search tree, the element in the lowest level is, because once we got the binary tree or binary search tree, we can make it into levels. Am I right? Level 0, level 1, level 2, so on. They are asking what is the element will be there at the lowest level. So what we have to do is that we have to insert the elements in the binary search tree. Then we need to find what is the element at the lowest level. They have given 4 options. We need to solve the question and then we need to find the right answer. Now, as it is an empty binary search tree, whatever the first element is there, that element will act as a root node. So 71 will act as a root node. Now 65, what is the binary search tree? The element which is there at the parent node or at the root node, the elements which are there in the left subtree should have the values less than this root node. Are you able to understand? So if you take the left subtree, all the elements should have the values less than 71, and if you take the right subtree, all the elements should have the value greater than the 71. This rule applies to every node in the binary search tree. So next element you need to insert is 65. 65 is less than 71, so you need to insert 65 to the left of 71. Now next you need to insert 84. 84 is greater than 71, so it should fall it in the right subtree. Okay. Now 69. 69 is less than 71, so it will come to the left subtree. 69 is greater than 65, so it will come to the right of 65. Okay. Now 67 is there. 67 is less than 71, greater than 67, less than 69, so you need to insert to the left of 69. Okay. Now 83. 83 is greater than 71, less than 84, so need to be inserted to the left of 84. So this is what the binary search tree after inserting the elements in a sequence. Now if you look at what are the levels, this is the level 0, this is level 1, this is level 2, this is the level 3. So they are asking what is the element at the lowest level. Is it clear? Because this is the root node and this is the last leaf node, because this is a leaf node, this is also leaf node, but at the lowest level what is the element is there, which is 67. Am I right? So the right answer for this question is option B, which is 67. So I hope you have understood how I perform the insertion. After insertion, how I found the element which is at the lowest level. Okay. Now let me go for the question number 2. The height of a tree is the length of the longest root to leaf path in it. That is what the definition of a height, because the height of the root node is equal to the height of the binary tree. Well, how can we find the height of a node? From the node, you need to find the longest path to any of its leaf node. Then in the longest path, the number of edges is equal to the height of the node. So similarly, we can find the height of the root node. The height of the root node is equal to the height of the binary tree. That is what they have given here. The maximum and minimum number of nodes in a binary tree of height 5 are. Suppose if you have a binary tree of height, what is the maximum number of nodes are possible? What are the minimum number of nodes are possible? They are asking. First we will find the maximum number of nodes possible in a binary tree if the binary tree height is 5. Now to do it, let me go for a simple example. Let's take that you have the binary tree like this. Okay. These are the maximum nodes. Is it clear? Are you able to understand? Perfect binary tree will have the maximum number of nodes. Now let's take this example. What is the height of this binary tree? How can I find the height of the binary tree? I need to find the height of this root node. Am I right? What is the longest path? This one I can go, or this one, any one will have the height is equal to 2. Because if I take, these are the leaf nodes, this is the leaf node, this is the leaf node, this is the leaf node, this is the leaf node. Now to any of the leaf node, find the longest path, because here all the leaf nodes having the longest path is number of edges is equal to 2. So any path you can consider. Suppose if I consider this path from this node to this leaf node, the number of edges is equal to 2. So the height of this binary tree is equal to 2. If the height of this binary tree is equal to 2, now find out how many number of nodes are there. That is what they are telling. So the number of nodes you can find it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So which is nothing but 2 power 3 minus 1. Am I right or wrong? Now let me go for the way, the simple way we can do it. Okay. Instead of telling like this, let me tell in a simple way. The number of nodes at the level 0 is what? The number of nodes at level 0, this is level 0, this is level 1, level 2. Am I right or wrong? At level 0, which is equal to 1. Am I right? At level 1, which is 2. At level 2, which is equal to 4. Am I right? So this one can be represented as 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. If I perform this addition, I will get it as 2 power h plus 1 minus 1, where h is the height of the binary tree. So if you have the height h of a binary tree, the number of nodes is equal to 2 power h plus 1 minus 1. Is it clear? So if you have a doubt, you can substitute it. The h here is 2. So 2 power 2 plus 1, which is equal to 2 power 3 minus 1, which is equal to 7. So if height of the binary tree is equal to h, the maximum number of nodes possible in that binary tree is equal to 2 power h plus 1 minus 1. Okay. So now what is the height they have given? The height they have given is 5. So h value they have given is equal to 5. So 2 power h plus 1 minus 1. Substitute the 5 in the h. So which is equal to 2 power 5 plus 1 minus 1, which is equal to 2 power 6 minus 1, which is equal to 63 nodes. If you have a doubt, you can do it and you will get the number of nodes is equal to 63 if you have the height is equal to 5. So where is the option? 63 is this one, here 64, here 32, here 31. So without finding the minimum number of nodes, we can say the option A is the right answer. But for me, I will solve find the minimum number of nodes, and also I will discuss how we will get the answer as 6. Okay. Now what they are asking, we found that maximum number of nodes are equal to 63. Keep it side. Now they are asking, find the minimum number of nodes in a binary tree of height h is 5. Now if you take the left skewed binary tree, left skewed or right skewed binary tree, suppose if you have like this, what is the height of this one? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5. Now if I take the left skewed or right skewed or any skewed binary tree, then what it will be there? Then you can find the minimum number of nodes if the height is equal to some h. Now if you find what is the height of this binary tree, how can I find the height of the binary tree? From the root node, I will go to the leaf node. This is the leaf node. So only one path is there. What is that path? This is the path. Now in this path, how many edges are there? Here you have one edge, 2, 3, 4, 5 edges are there. So the height of this binary tree is equal to 5. So if the height is equal to 5, what is the number of nodes are there? Number of nodes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, if you have height is equal to 5, the minimum number of nodes are possible is n plus 1 or h plus 1. Are you able to understand? So, if n is there, if you have a height, then this is the maximum. The maximum number of nodes possible if height h is there in a binary tree, then which is equal to 2 power h plus 1 minus 1. And if height h is there, what is the minimum number of nodes are possible? Minimum number, let me write it as capital N, which is equal to h plus 1. So this is the minimum number of nodes and this is the maximum number of nodes. So answer for height h is equal to 5, the minimum number of nodes are possible is 6. Okay, so we got the maximum number of nodes are 63 and minimum number of nodes are 6. So the right answer for this question is option A, and for this one is option B. So I hope you have understood how I solve these two questions. If you still have any doubts related to these two questions or related to these two concepts, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will always there to clear your doubts in less than 24 hours. Thank you for watching the complete video. Have a nice day.